Please look carefully at the empty bottle. Pour a big bottle of Sprite into it. After pouring the greens in, let's add some ginger and garlic slices. All cracked. Have a few more. Rock sugar. A big spoonful of table salt. That's great. Add some more vinegar, white vinegar. Give me a bowl of millet peppers. If you can handle spicy food, add more. If you can't, add less. Adding a little of this is like having a universal kimchi seasoning sauce. It makes everything taste delicious when pickled. Let's add some of our favorite foods today. Kimchi, cucumber, and white radish are all added inside. Come together. Put it inside. Marinate the noodles together. Oh, and some vitamin D too. Carrots with high vitamin content. AI Diandian. Okay. Again. Let's have some kimchi. Mix well, bro. I share this with my brothers and sisters every day. A delicious home-style dish. The method is detailed and foolproof. Try it following my instructions. I guarantee it will taste delicious. If this is your first time, I hope this was of some small help to you. You learned something. Could you please give my little brother a free little red heart and follow him? You can always look for this dish whenever you want. When it's my turn. My dear brother, I wish you good health, all the best, and a long and healthy life. This kimchi will be more flavorful and delicious if you marinate it for a day. Brothers and sisters, it's been in the fridge for a day, so it should have absorbed the flavor by now. Hey guys, open the pot lid and take a look. Wow, not allowed. It tastes really good. Come on, have a bite. Hey, let me go check. I need some cucumber peeling water. Look at these side dishes, they're so much better. The ones you buy outside are so much better, so fresh. Come on, brother and sister, let me help you. You guys have a bite. It has a really crisp texture. This is good as a snack with drinks. Rare. Rice, oh my, the noodles taste amazing. Dear brothers and sisters, please save this and follow Wenjin. Every day he posts home-style dishes that taste just for you. Want to eat them again? Braised pork belly. What about you? According to my method. The key to making it fatty yet not greasy, tender and flavorful, with perfect color, aroma and taste is the method itself. It's super simple. I'll do it below. I guarantee everyone can learn it in one go. For braised pork belly, we should choose this kind of pork belly with 3 layers of fat and lean meat, which is just right. It's fatty but not greasy and lean but not dry. Pork belly is really cheap here right now. It's only 8 yuan per pound. This huge piece of meat only cost me 8 yuan. I wonder what about you guys? What's the local price? Next, I'll use a serrated knife to cut the pork belly into. Cut the pieces into large, even pieces. A little bit like this. To truly enjoy eating it, the key step after cutting everything up is to remove the fishy smell. This pork has a strong umami flavor, and the umami flavor is not removed. How to keep clean. If it's not going to taste good, add a spoonful of salt and a little Shaoxing wine. This salt has exceptionally strong penetrating power and can quickly. The Shaoxing wine helps to draw out the blood from the porridge, removing the fishy smell and enhancing the aroma. We catch it. Mix well and soak for 10 minutes. After soaking the bell pepper, put it in a pot with the Shaoxing wine to blanch it. Remember this step. When blanching, you must start with cold water and the water temperature must be. Heat slowly. Only then can the blood inside the meat be slowly cooked out. After opening, make sure to skim off all the foam on top, then take the meat out. When washing, wash with warm water. Absolutely do not. The heat capacity of meat is affected by alternating hot and cold water. It is easy to shrink and then It's hard and tough. Even if you stew it again, it won't taste good. Family members, I do this every day. Here are some simple and delicious home-style dishes. You definitely won't regret trying them. Can you give me a ride if it crashes? Point? Give a little red heart or type thank you in the comments. Please give me some encouragement and support. Thank you. I also wish you plenty of food and drink. Worried about living in a poor house, I can now live in a high-rise building with big and small terraces, sleeping soundly every day. Thank you again for the cleaned pork belly. The pork belly has been drained. When does it start? Add scallions, ginger, star anise, and cinnamon. Leaves and dried chili peppers. For seasoning, add some salt, chicken bouillon, light soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. Add a spoonful of soybean paste to enhance the savory flavor, and then add a few pieces of rock sugar. Finally, pour in a bottle of beer to remove any fishy smell, enhance the aroma, and tenderize the meat. No need to add a single drop of water throughout the entire process, just cover the pot. Just press the cook button and you don't need to worry about it anymore. Come and see it. Wow! It smells so good. Sprinkle some chopped green onions on top as a garnish, and you've got a delicious and fragrant pork belly dish. Well done! Soft, tender, flavorful, and melts in your mouth without being greasy. Paired with rice. 3 bowls wouldn't be enough. Learn this recipe and save it to try it out. Finally, Shaoxing updates every day. New delicious and simple home-style dishes for you. Let me know in the comments what kind of home-style dishes you'd like to eat and I'll make it for you tomorrow.